Okay? So here are my key takeaways for this part of the lecture. So a lab report is a technical document. So it is written in the technical writing style, and it summarizes the details and results of an experiment aimed at testing a hypothesis. And it communicates the data gathered from a laboratory experiment to other scientists or persons so that they can reproduce and obtain more information based on the same set of procedures that we followed. And it also follows a prescribed structure and format. So makikita natin na very fixed po yung structure and the format, yung passive voice and omitting the pronouns like I, we, or you. So third person siya and passive voice. Okay? So ito, idadagdag ko lang po because we received an email from one teacher, probably a high school teacher. She didn't reply to our email to post this question, but this is her actual name, si Teacher Trisha, and she was asking, how do I encourage students to engage themselves more in doing laboratory reports? So ito parang na-struck po kami kasi parang as simple as it is parang kinatatamaran pa ng mga estudyante na gumawa ng laboratory reports. And kasi nga medyo trivial siya and sometimes it can be perceived as a boring activity doing a laboratory report because you already did the experiments, you already knew what the experiment was all about, and after that, now you have to do the report, like repeating all the steps again. So if I can just give you like some insights on how to make it more interesting for students. So probably as teachers, we can hammer in or stress the benefits or the importance of doing lab reports to our students, because there are essential benefits of doing laboratory reports because it is a training for students for the careers that they want to make later in life. So sinasabi nga natin, yung technical writing skills is developed in doing a laboratory report kasi importante po yan later in life when students need to prepare like a comprehensive report about anything. So yung passive voice, parang yung formats. So importante po yung malaman at a very young age and matrain po sila in being objective and impartial on the results. So merong tinatawag na extrinsic rewards in doing lab reports. So extrinsic meaning it's coming from outside. So probably this can come in the form of completion of the results or the class requirements. So pag natapos mo yung lab report, so mako-complete mo yung course and possibly makakakuha ka ng high grade if you did a really good lab report. So that's for the extrinsic rewards. But mas from studies po by psychologists, yung intrinsic rewards or the rewards that the experiencer or the person doing the activity like derived from within himself. So it's intrinsic. So kasama po dito yung technical writing skills, as I've mentioned, yung objectivity or impartiality when it comes to looking at data. So kailangan devoid po yan of our own opinions or our own biases. So yung paggawa din po ng laboratory report also develops critical thinking. And if you have a group mate or a teammate, it fosters teamwork and responsibility. Okay, and we also need to be very exact with our statements. So it develops accuracy and exactness among our students, and also perseverance and self-esteem. Kasi kung mag-fail po yung experiment, so as teachers, it is our responsibility to like encourage them to try more and be better next time. So meron din po ditong in terms of mindset naman, we can uh, like develop in our students the growth mindset, which is um, like 180 degrees opposite of the fixed mindset, which is just static or stagnant. So I mean, people might say like, I'll never be good at this. Hindi ako I'm not a science person, and I'll never learn this stuff, or it is what it is, or I am what I am. I cannot change. So that is a fixed mindset. Now, what we want the students to have is a growth mindset, which strives for learning and continuous and constant improvement. So, pwede nating sabihin sa mga estudyante, you might not get it now, but you can improve. You can improve and yourself, or improve the system, and be better next time. So ito yung uh, iiwan ko lang po na message sa mga estudyante natin, sa mga teachers natin, to uh, never stop learning. Okay? So ang kailangan po natin is a growth mindset, and kung hindi natin makuha, let's just try again. Kung hindi maganda yung experiment, so let's figure out, be critical thinkers, and think about what went wrong and what can be improved next time. Okay? So, ngayon po, iiwan ko yung question to our if there are teachers or educators present in the audience, maganda rin po na malaman po natin, or marinig natin yung inputs nyo. So, the question is, how can we encourage our students to engage themselves more in doing laboratory reports, as trivial and as simple as they are? So, if you can just share us your ideas in the comments, so we can probably read it at the end of the webinar. So, ayun, I would like to end my part of the presentation with this question. So, maraming salamat po. My name is Jaypee again, and I think I can hand over the screen now to Dr. Jeffrey.